Morning children, we will start with question number 2. Identify the true and false statement and rewrite the wrong statement correctly. We have to say true and false and we have to correct the wrong statement. The first question. The number succeeding A will be A plus 1. That is true. Because we know succeeding number, if a number is A, if we know its successor, we have to add 1. That is called a successor or succeeding number. The value of x changes according to its situation. Yes, we know this is variable. Variable changes according to the situation. We can write A equal 1 or we can write x equal 1. 2n would be an odd number. N, 2n, what it is said? 2n would be a odd number. How? If 2 into 3 we are taking, it is coming 6. If you are taking 2 into 1, it is coming 2. If you are taking 2 into 2, it is coming 4. Is it coming odd number? No, it is false. So we have to correct the statement. What is the correct statement? 2n is an even number. We have to write 2n is an even number because what we got? 6, 4, 2. What is this number? This number is even number. Is it clear? Now the next question, fourth. M into n would be the product of any two numbers. M and n would be the product of any two numbers. It is false. Because m into n is the product of two unknown number. We don't know m and n. What is m and n? We know. What is the value? We don't know. Therefore, m into n is the product of two unknown number. We don't know that number. That's why it is saying unknown number. Fifth, variables are generally indicated by small letter of English alphabet. It is false. It is not much that we will only denote with a small letter. Variables can be denoted by any letter of English alphabet. It may be capital, it may be small. Is it clear? Today we are only dealing with this 5 question. Tomorrow we will start 12th chapter.